Alright guys, today we're going to be writing equations and solving them and doing lots of fun things with them. So we're going to be doing that from story problems. The joke for the day is this: what's the difference between an elephant and a flea? You'll find out. So first off, it says the cell phone company charges a $50 monthly fee and 7 cents for each text a person sends during the month. Last month, the company charged you $163.40. Part A. Write an equation that can be used to determine the number of texts a person sent during the last month. Be sure to define your variable in your equation. So on this one right here, guys, we're going to go ahead and define the variable as the number of texts a person sent during the last month. You could write all that. I'm going to put the number of texts. And then on this right here, it's going to be $163.40. Is going to be our equals the total. And what makes up that total? Well, it's a $50 monthly fee plus 7 cents for each text. And we don't know how many texts, so it's going to be 0.07x. So at that point, that completes part A. Part B says this month you project that you will send 20% more texts than last month. Based on this projection, how many texts will you send this month? Well, guys, on this right here, you first have to figure out how many texts you sent last month. So you have to do 0.07x plus 50 equals $163.40. You have to subtract 50 on both sides, and you get 0.07x equals $113.40. You're going to divide by 0.07, and you're going to end up getting x equal 1,620 texts. So that was last month, but this month, you want to go ahead and you think you're going to send 20% more. So you have to figure out 20% of this amount. So 0.20 times that amount ends up being 324. So you're going to send 324 more texts. So you have to add 1,620 plus the 324 to get 1,944 texts for this next month. Okay? And I could have fun with you and say, so how much is that going to cost you? But we're not going to mess with that right now. Next one. On this one, it says a truck rental company charges a flat fee of $45 to rent a truck and an additional 45 cents for each mile the truck is driven. There is no sales tax. Henry rented a truck from the company and was charged $99 when he returned the truck. Write an equation that can determine the number of miles Henry drove the truck. So first we're going to write an equation is what it says to do. So we go ahead, we put equals the $99. What equals the 99? It's the $45 flat fee plus the 45 cents a mile. It says on part B, on the lines provided, define what the variable in your equation represents. Well, that's going to be the number of miles. And part C, Henry pays for the gas used by the truck. The truck travels 6 miles per gallon, or the truck travels 6 miles per gallon of gas. Henry pays $2.10 per gallon of gas, including sales tax. How much in dollars does Henry pay for the gas? Well, guys, on this one right here, you first have to figure out how many miles he went. So you have to solve the 0.45x plus 45 equals $99. You subtract the 45. You end up getting 0.45x equals 54, divide by 0.45, and you end up getting x to equal 120 miles. So from there, it's 120 miles, and it's going 6 miles per gallon is all it's getting, and the truck only travels at 6 miles per gallon. So if we figure out how many gallons he needed, if you divide it by 6, that means you needed 20 gallons of gas. Oops. And then each gallon costs $2.10, so 20 times $2.10 is going to get you $42, and that's how much you paid for the gas. All right, so that should cover it for today. So the joke for the day is this: what's the difference between an elephant and a flea? Well, an elephant can have fleas, but a flea can't have elephants. Have a great day, guys.